back to my channel. My name is Destiny, and today I am going to be doing a Shein haul. And yes, I have so many Shein hauls. I can say that, like, if you do shop at Shein, you know that you're gonna get a good deal and you're gonna get some cute clothes. Like, how can you beat it? This one's for work clothes, professional clothes. If you are interested in this video, please keep on watching. Alright, so this time I mainly did like a mixing and matching of the pants, the mixing and matching of the tops. So just things that you can mix and match kind of thing. So the first item I got, so this is a sweater. Here it is. So this sweater it's gray. It's like a gray color and it has like lines going down. And the sleeves are nice and long. It's kind of cut at the top, like it's a good length, I would say. I wouldn't say it's like a crop top or anything, but it is on the shorter side. It's not a super long top, but it does go down to a good length. But I would definitely say that I love that it has like a turtleneck type of thing, but it's loose. And that is just a perfect gray color. It's super comfortable, nice cotton warm feel. I wouldn't say it's a super thick sweater, but it is, like, I would say nice and warm. It's going to keep you warm at work. It won't make you too hot. Sweater is in the Shein size medium, and it's a US 6. So I did size up on that one. I'm usually a 4 in my tops, but I do like to size up like over comfort and over length. So it's really cute. What I have put before with that gray top is these black pair of pants. And these pants have definitely a weird material. I don't really know how to explain it. It's like cargo pants, but it has 2 buttons on the front and a zipper, and it does, like, as you can see, you can put a belt on this if you want to tighten it. It has a belt loop. And when I say these things are long, like as they go down, they are super long. And then it has this thing at the bottom to where it has a little button thing where you can loop the pants around and give it this cool kind of unique style. So I really like that. That's really cool. And these pants are nice and long. Just of an idea of how long they are, like I can wear them high-waisted and they still come all the way down for me, and I'm 5'8". These are a size large or a US 8. I did go up a size just because I did want them to be longer. Alright, so then this next top is very similar to the other sweater. So this is also a sweater turtleneck kind of thing. So this one is, now the turtleneck on this one is definitely big. Like it kind of like leans over. You can kind of roll it up the way you want to with this sweater. And I did get this sweater in a large and a US 8. Sleeves are nice and long on this sweater. It's really comfortable, and so it does, the top has a little kind of almost a crop thing going on. I thought actually this top would be a little longer, but it does basically come like right there, like past your belly button, borderline a crop for this sweater. Definitely, I would say, a needed essential in your closet. So I ordered a black one, so that one's still supposed to come in the mail, but I did go ahead and was able to get the gray one, and the gray one was on sale for maybe like $10 or something. It's just a gray cardigan. We all need our cardigans. As you know, they are just comfortable, they're cute. Like, you can wear them to work, you can mix and match it. So this one, I did get this one in a bigger size. So this one actually probably runs kind of small because I did get this one in a large. or US 8. So I would suggest if you want it more oversized and comfortable, do go ahead and size up on this one. This one has pockets and you can put your hands in there. It has pockets on each side. It has just a very warm, cozy material, and it gives you that nice oversized look if that's what you're looking for. So yeah. Okay, so the next item will be a skirt. Now the only thing about this skirt is, like, I thought there would be like a, you know how you get skirts and they have a skirt inside of it, just a double layer. Now I would say, looking at this, it's not completely see-through, but it is kind of see-through. They had added a skirt under it, so I probably wouldn't necessarily suggest specifically this item because it's kind of see-through. You see what I'm saying? Like, ain't no point. So this item is in a medium, and it is a US 6. This item, it is a nice and long black pleated skirt, and it does, I would say, this skirt probably comes, depending on how tall you are, it probably comes to your knees, maybe even longer. I'm going to have to order probably another one that has a skirt underneath, but I do think this one is really cute, and it feels really comfortable. It feels basically how a pleated skirt usually feels, but I did think this was a great price. If I'm not mistaken, it was on sale on the website when I did get it, so that was another reason. I think it's cute. It's a good item to mix and match with, definitely. Right, so this top is like, now this one isn't, I would say, an essential, but it is really cute, aesthetically pleasing kind of top, just a cute top that you could just wear to work. So I just had to get this one. I saw it on a model and I was like, bro, I gotta get this one. So this one is, as you can see, it's got a deeper, it's more of like squiggly lines, and it's like I would say a peachy color, a tan peachy color, and the little squiggly line things are like brown. So this top is a medium and a US 6, and it does have a little like cutout in the front, just like really cute. And it's not a super long top, so you would probably want to wear this with something more high-waisted. That would probably be really cute. And it does have, like, look at the sleeves, they're so cute. So the sleeves kind of like flare out, and the sleeves are a good length, so they're not super long, but they are a good length. So I would say the way they just flare out, I just love that. And so this one, I would just say, is just straight up cute. It's cute, it's professional, you can just put with anything. You can mix and match this one also. I would say it would probably go better with something either black or brown. I would definitely say, I would definitely recommend this top. Fairly on sale, and not this one. So this is one you'll probably just have to spend the extra coins on. But it, again, it wasn't super expensive. It was like Shein regular price. I bought a black and a white ones, but here's the black one first. So with the black one, I got these in a tighter size to make sure that they were nice and fitted, so that it can kind of balance out the looser pants or the looser skirt. So this is the sweater right here, and it is like, the material isn't too thin, it's not too thick, it's just a perfect size. You could probably wear this pretty much all year round. And it does have like a small, somewhat small, I wouldn't say it's a turtleneck, but I would say like it does like kind of have it does cover your neck a little bit, but not too much to where it feels hot. So I really do love that. And I did get this one in a size, a small, which is, or a US 4. So this one is very stretchy, very comfortable, and like I really do love these kind of tops. Like they are definitely basics that are needed in your wardrobe. Yeah. Item is obviously the white one. That is also the exact same material. This one is just white as well. You gotta have that black one, you gotta have that white one, like you have to. So this is again just the white version of that black top. I got a small or a US 4, and this, when I say, is again just a comfortable material. Like, it goes well with if you want to wear brown with it, if you want to do black and white, if you want to color like these are made, like, how can you beat them? Okay, so the next item is, hands literally give me like just so aesthetically pleasing. They have the ruffles at the top. It's a black and white like pattern of. These are definitely my favorite pair of pants so far. I love that it comes with a belt already, so you don't have to worry about that. And I wouldn't say that they are super long. On me, they kind of just come my ankle, so they're not super long, but I'm sure on someone shorter, they would probably definitely come longer. I did get these in a medium and a US 6. They are just really comfortable material. You can definitely mix and match these with a black top, white top, a gray top, like one of those kind of pants that you come to work feeling like a baddie. Like, who doesn't love going to work feeling confident and cute for the office? All right, and last but not least, I have a black blazer. And now, look, I should have got a small in this blazer. What I was really thinking, because the blazer does come a little, it does look a little oversized, which I don't mind an oversized looking blazer, but usually I like, you know, a balance of like, it needs to be tailored, kind of like fitted at the waist and then like longer going down, which is kind of what I was going for. So I don't know why I didn't just get a small. I did get a US 8 or a size large, and this one does have shoulder pads, this black blazer. So I suggest going up with this one because it does fit pretty big, but what I'm probably gonna do is just put some pins in it so it can fit kind of tighter around my waist. But just like this, with not a super thick material, which is good, so you can wear it comfortably at work. It is kind of long, so it's above your behind. It comes like a little over. So, and it does have shoulder pads, but the shoulder pads didn't really bother me. The shoulder pads aren't super thick or anything, so they're perfectly fine. And it's actually a kind of a stretching material. We wear this year round also. And it does have right here 3 buttons going on the side so that you can button it up if you want to. So yeah. All right, so that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you clicked on this video, I do appreciate it. Especially you made to the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you care. I would definitely appreciate it. It definitely helps out my channel. I hope you all have a blessed day and take care. And I hope everyone's enjoying their new year. So bye.